taking a look at the DAX and the money management algorithms in the DAX, and we're going to follow up with our Ninja Trader webinar with a Tradestation webinar next Wednesday after the market closes. I'll have the registration details below this video, but some of the strategies that come with the money management algorithms are the Cobra CTs, and that includes the DAX. I have 3 DAX strategies here and an E-mini S&P strategy I'm going to show you. Here is Cobra CT 3 for the DAX, and you see the results here. Pretty good strategy. Hasn't done as well lately. It kind of went through a drawdown here. How can we improve this? We use the average trade profit on this to improve this strategy. If you take a look at the results here, you can see a slight improvement, about $13 in average trade profit, and a reduction in drawdown from the last. The results were 54.47 over here on the left in the base strategy, and on the right it is 38.73. So you get a net profit as a percentage of drawdown increase. You get an increase in the average trade profit, and the equity curve looks a little bit better. You get that. It's just the average trade profit. DAX Cobra CT4 is another strategy that is included with the money management algorithms. You see this. This is one of the strategies we're talking about. It does really well. Then he goes through a drawdown, and it does really well again. And so how do you eliminate these drawdowns? Average trade profit and drawdown stops. We'll work on it. Take a look at the results. We're going to focus on the change in the average trade profit in euros as well as the drawdown. So average trade profit goes up, you can see, and the drawdown goes down. It's more than half. Net profit as a percentage of drawdown goes up. It doesn't include slippage and actually you need to put this in euros as well. The last one was in euros. So you get 319 euros, and the base strategy is 267.90 euros, no slippage or commission, and then $13,000 drawdown and 373 net profit as a percentage of drawdown with 51,000 net profit. And then on the right, you get 47,000. You get less trades. Your average trade profit goes up almost 50, and you get 44.50 euro drawdown and 1,064 net profit as a percentage of drawdown. The equity curve looks a lot better. You eliminate this bump here, and we'll go over this in the webinar. Cobra CT5, DAX Cobra CT5 is another strategy here. Here it is. Here's the results. Here's the equity curve. 167 euro average trade profit, 10,700 euro drawdown, and 48,000 euro net profit. What are the results with the drawdown stop and the average trade profit? You see 35,186 and 44.25. So improvements in that. The equity curve looks a little bit better too. And so you can see that in these 3 DAX strategies, we've mainly used the average trade profit and then the drawdown stop, and they're all pretty consistent in the improvements in the results. What's also included in the algorithms is the Cobra CT5B, and that includes the open code. I've got some E-mini Russell strategies I'll go over later, and also in the webinar. But here is the Cobra CT5B. This is without an algorithm. This is back to 2005. It works back to the beginning of the E-mini S&P. And here are the results: 82 average trade profit, very low drawdown. So take a look at the results. It's only 550 this year. Hasn't traded as much. Let's look at the monthly results. It goes through periods of drawdowns and lower average annual profits, you can see in here. But it's one of our favorite strategies, and it has a long history. So that's the Cobra CTs that come with the money management algorithms, and the webinar that we're going to have next Wednesday after the market closes.